News break coming in. Eknath Shinde has landed in the national capital. Will be making his way to Amit Shah's residence, and as he's landed, he's dropped a big hint where it comes down to who's going to be the new Maharashtra Chief Minister. Shinde lands in Delhi and says no problem in making Ladka Bhau Chief Minister. Who's he hinting at? Listen in first.
सुनील तटकरेंच्या निवासस्थानी
ते पण बैठकीला येणार आहेत, त्यामुळे ते देखील त्या बैठकीत आहेत आणि त्या अगोदर आल्यामुळे त्यांची पक्षाची बैठक, त्यांच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांची बैठक झाली असेल.
ओके सर, थँक्यू. आपण पाहू शकतो मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे
Cutting across to Piyush Mishra, who's at Amit Shah's residence. Piyush, first up, has Eknath Shinde arrived? Because the other two alliance partners are already there. Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar, along with Amit Shah. Also, don't mind making Ladka Bhau as Chief Minister. Who's Ladka Bhau here?
Well, he's trying to give out a message that yes, his schemes have done wonders. Let me also try to show you the live visuals coming in from right in front of the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah. A vehicle has just entered. What we are now learning is that the leaders have just started arriving here at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. Most likely, Devendra Fadnavis has reached, and then we can expect Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde to also reach. Remember that a couple of minutes back, Eknath Shinde landed there at the Delhi airport, and he said that Ladka Bhai now here is in Delhi. Before that, he also said that he yesterday did a press conference and explained everything to the people of Maharashtra. So a message is now being given by Eknath Shinde that Ladka Bhai is here, and remember that Ladli Behna Yojana and Ladka Bhai scheme of Maharashtra government has helped Mahayuti to retain back the power, and various leaders from BJP and NCP have also accepted this. So a message has been given out by Eknath Shinde about the scheme, a popular scheme of his government. He has now landed in Delhi. Any minute from now, he will be here. A vehicle with convoys has entered inside Amit Shah's residence. In a couple of minutes from now, we will also confirm who has just entered. But yes, leaders have now started arriving here at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, and very soon, crucial meeting will begin, and this place right behind me is going to be the most happening place throughout the night, because this meeting likely to go until late in the night, and by tomorrow, Preeti, we can expect announcement to be made as far as the new CM of Maharashtra is concerned. Remember that as far as this meeting is concerned, before this meeting, hectic parleys have already taken place in Delhi. It started with BJP's National President JP Nadda meeting with PM Narendra Modi there at Parliament. Then it was Ashwini Vaishnav who briefed PM about the entire political situation in Maharashtra. After that, we saw Devendra Fadnavis landing in Delhi and directly going to the residence of Bhupendra Yadav. He was election in charge of BJP in Maharashtra, after which he also met Ajit Pawar at Sunil Tatkare's residence. And all these leaders are now coming here at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence.
Okay.
A couple of minutes back, we also saw BJP's National President JP Nadda.
Piyush, you couldn't be further from the truth where you say that this is going to be the happening place tonight. Well, in Delhi, Thursday nights, right outside Amit Shah's residence, that's where it's all going to happen for Maharashtra, and who's going to lead Maharashtra where the Mahayuti is concerned. Listen in once again to what Eknath Shinde said. Is he hinting at Devendra Fadnavis? Is Devendra Fadnavis Ladka Bhau? Listen in.
प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन माझी भूमिका स्पष्ट केलेली आहे की आता कुठलाही अडथळा महायुतीचा मुख्यमंत्री होण्यामध्ये नाही आहे. लाडकी बहीण, लाडक्या बहिणीच्या बद्दलही माझी बोललोय मी. त्यामुळे लाडका भाऊ दिल्लीत दाखल झालेला आहे, आणि लाडका भाऊ ही ओळख
Ladka Bhau has entered Delhi